Hey, WeSo fam! Welcome back to WeSo Health Tips, your ultimate source for health, happiness, and wellness vibes. Today, we're diving into a juicy topic that's bound to get your taste buds tingling. That's right, we're talking about watermelon, the fruit that's as refreshing as it is nutritious. Grab a slice, and let's get started. Watermelon isn't just a summer treat, it's a health powerhouse. Whether you're looking to hydrate, boost your immune system, or even spice up your skincare routine, watermelon has got you covered. Let's peel back the layers and explore the amazing benefits of this delicious fruit. Did you know watermelon is over 90% water? That's like sipping a glass of nature's finest H2O with a sweet twist. Staying hydrated is crucial for everything from glowing skin to better focus. And let's face it, plain water can get a little boring sometimes. So why not jazz things up with watermelon? Now, let's talk nutrients. Watermelon is packed with vitamins A, C, and B6, along with potassium and magnesium. These nutrients do everything from supporting your immune system to keeping your muscles and nerves healthy. And don't forget lycopene, that's the antioxidant responsible for watermelon's vibrant red color. Lycopene is a heart health superstar, helping to reduce the risk of heart disease and improve circulation. Talk about food that loves you back. If you're into fitness or just love staying active, watermelon is your new best friend. It contains citrulline, an amino acid that can ease muscle soreness and boost exercise performance. Whether you're hitting the gym or dancing the night away, watermelon can help you recover faster and feel stronger. Let's not forget your glow-up game. Watermelon is loaded with vitamin C, which supports collagen production. That means firmer skin and shinier hair. And vitamin A? It helps repair skin cells and keeps your complexion looking fresh. Pro tip: blend some watermelon juice with honey for a DIY face mask that's as nourishing as it is refreshing. Alright, here's something you might not know. The seeds and rind of watermelon are just as amazing as the flesh. Roasted watermelon seeds are a crunchy, protein-packed snack. They're rich in magnesium, iron, and healthy fats. Perfect for sprinkling on salads or just munching on the go. And what about the rind? Most people throw it away, but it's actually a hidden gem. The rind is packed with citrulline and can be used in all sorts of recipes. Think pickles, stir-fries, or even candied watermelon rind. It's a great way to reduce food waste and get more bang for your buck. Watermelon isn't just a fruit, it's a cultural icon. In ancient Egypt, it symbolized sustenance and was even placed in tombs to nourish the deceased in the afterlife. In China, watermelon represents good fortune and happiness, especially during Lunar New Year. And in the US, it's a summer barbecue staple, often taking center stage at Independence Day celebrations. Isn't it amazing how this humble fruit connects people around the world? Speaking of connection, let's talk recipes. One of my favorites is a watermelon salad. Mix cubes of watermelon with feta cheese, fresh mint, and a drizzle of balsamic glaze. It's the perfect balance of sweet and savory. Or, if you're craving something cool, blend watermelon with yogurt, honey, and a splash of lime juice for a super hydrating smoothie. Yum! Oh, and here's a fun fact. Did you know there are over 1,000 varieties of watermelon worldwide? They come in all shapes and sizes, from mini melons to the famous square watermelons of Japan. There's even a yellow watermelon that's sweeter than its red counterpart. Who knew, right? So, WeSo fam, what's your favorite way to enjoy watermelon? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your creative ideas. And if you found this video juicy and refreshing, don't forget to smash that like button, share it with your friends, and hit subscribe for more health tips that'll keep you feeling fantastic. Until next time, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep it juicy with WeSo Health Tips. Bye for now.